Being a nail tech as long as I am, there are moments where I feel very discouraged, but I want to share with you how I overcome these discouragement. The number one discouragement as a nail tech growing up is speed. Every nail tech talks about how fast they can do a full set, less than 45 minutes, less than an hour. I try and I cannot do that. I just love to talk, y'all. I like to connect with my clients personally, and I want to give them their time. And because of that, they keep coming back to me. And the ones that speed up, they keep taking in the walk-ins. And sometimes there is no walk-in on a slow day. So I overcome that discouragement. The second discouragement growing up as a nail tech is the tipping system. Like when clients don't tip me, I feel like I didn't do a good job, because the norm was when you do a great job, they would tip you. But I come to a realization that some clients is dead broke. Like they don't have money, they just have money for the service. Or some of them, they don't even believe in a tip. So that doesn't make me feel like I'm a bad nail tech if the client doesn't tip me. I don't even expect a tip no more, y'all. So I stop feeling discouraged. Now, when it comes to the nail art and what's trending and all that, I get it. As a nail tech, myself, I want to learn it all. I would spend hours practicing the one specific art. But I come to realize one thing. You don't have to be good at all the art, because some of the art that you do and you practice spend hours, there's only one client that asks for it throughout the whole year. So that's just a waste of time. At the end of the day, I'm going to keep it simple. A French, couple swirly line, glitter, rhinestone, then we're good to go. I stop feeling discouraged. Now, another thing is professionalism. I don't know if you guys face this problem, but I do. As a nail tech, I have a gas problem where I'm gassy, and I was very discouraged. The fact that I cannot fart, I cannot let it go when I need to, because I didn't want the clients to feel bad or hear me squealing. But again, how I overcome this discouragement is that some of my clients, they don't care. They can't even hear. Half the time they're glued to the TV. They're listening to other people talking. And me, I just let it go. And sometimes it blends in with the noise around the salon. I don't feel bad anymore. So all of that has been overcome. And I want to share that with you. So if you guys are facing any experience, please just let you know you guys will be all right.